Prime Minister Honorable Dr. Eliah Ngurare attended a Sunday service at ELCIN Nkurenkuru alongside his family, where he received blessings and expressed gratitude for the opportunity to serve the nation. Addressing the congregation, Dr. Ngurare shared his appreciation for being able to attend church service with some of his former teachers. The Prime Minister encouraged parents to raise their children with strong moral values to become responsible members of society. He emphasized the importance of family and faith in shaping future generations. After his address, the congregation presented Christian symbols, a Bible, and a hymn book to the Prime Minister as a sign of wisdom and well wishes for his leadership. Following the service, the MICT in Kavango West interviewed Prime Minister, who emphasized the church's historic role in Namibia's independence and called for continued cooperation between the church and the government.
During the liberation struggle, the church played a pivotal role. It was in church where real mobilization took place. So the pastors, especially the African pastors, they are an inextricable link, or you can call them a brick that laid the foundation of our independence. And therefore, the church today, it played a pivotal role yesterday. We must not ignore it today.
Ngurare further stated that Namibia is commemorating Kasinga Day in honor of those who shed their blood for the country's freedom. He emphasized the importance of forgiveness toward those who violated human rights, while urging Namibians not to forget the past so that the history can be passed on to future generations.
We are commemorating Kasinga because there were sacrifices made by those who were slaughtered on that day. It was a crime against humanity, as you know, because these are defenseless people that were killed. Some people say, please forgive, but don't forget. Because if we forget, the generation that you saw in church, they will also be wondering, oh, what happened? There was this day that is every day commemorated, but what is it about when we are just dancing every day? So Kasinga, for generations to come, Namibians must never forget that. They must remember what it took, the sacrifices made, and why the sacrifices made is to ensure that never again Namibia would be visited by the atrocities that took place at Kasinga.
Victory Simon, MICT Kavango West, Nkurenkuru.